Friends, welcome back to my channel Örgü Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very pretty knitting stitch pattern. From the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like this. Friends, this pattern can be used for making any knitting project like baby sweater, jacket, cardigan, etc. It is 8 rows repeat knitting pattern, and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 11 plus 3 extra stitches, 11 plus 3. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Please also hit the like button and share my video with your friends in your groups and keep supporting me. Thank you. Friends, for the demonstration, I have cast on 25 stitches on my needle, 22 multiple of 11 plus 3 extra stitches. I have used here 3 ply wool and 9 number knitting needle. So let's start the first row of the pattern. Right side, slip the eighth stitch. After that, purl all the stitches in the first row. So let's complete this row by purl all the stitches from here to here. Second row, wrong side, slip the eighth stitch. After that, knit all the stitches in the second row. So let's complete this row by knit all the stitches. Third row, slip the eighth stitch. After that, knit 1 stitch. After these 2 stitches, our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn over, knit 1 stitch, then again yarn over and knit 1 stitch. After that, knit 6 stitches with double time yarn over 1 and 2. Knit 6 stitches with yarn over twice, 1 and 2. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Knit 6 stitches with double time yarn over, then knit 1 stitch. After that, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over and knit 1. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is yarn over, knit 1 stitch, yarn over, knit 1 stitch. After that, knit 6 stitches with the double time yarn over 1 and 2. So knit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Knit 6 stitches with twice yarn over. After that, knit 1 stitch, then yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1. In this way we will complete our third row. Last is our edge stitch, so simply knit that stitch. Fourth row, slip the eighth stitch. After that, our pattern will be start, and the pattern is purl 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Purl 5 stitches. Then friends, here is a stitch with double time yarn now over. Now we will drop the extra yarn. Slip this stitch and drop the extra yarn. So 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Slip this 6 stitches by dropping the extra yarn. We will not knit these stitches, so simply slip these stitches. After that, purl 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is purl 5, then slip 6 stitches by dropping the extra yarn, then purl 4 stitches. So one more repeat is purl 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Purl 5 stitches, then slip 6 stitches by dropping the extra yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After that, purl 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this way we will complete our 4th row. Last I have 2 stitches, so purl the last 2 stitches. Fifth row, slip the A stitch. After that, knit 1 stitch. After these 2 stitches, our pattern will be start, and the pattern is knit 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Knit 4 stitches. Friends, here are 6 stitches, slip stitches. Now we will knit these 6 stitches together through the back loop like this. Without dropping these stitches, again knit these 6 stitches together, but now from the front side. One time from the back loop and second time from the front side like this. After that, knit 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is knit 4, then knit 6 stitches together through the back loop and knit 6 stitches together through the front side. After that, knit 5 stitches. So one more repeat is knit 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then knit 6 stitches together through the back loop like this. Without dropping these stitches, again knit from 6 stitches together from the front side like this. After that, knit 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in this way we will complete our 5th row. Last is our edge stitch, so knit that stitch. 6th row, slip the edge stitch. After that, purl all the stitches in the 6th row. So let's complete this row by purl all the stitches. 7th row, slip the edge stitch. After that, knit all the stitches. So let's complete this row by knit all the stitches. 8th row, slip the 8th stitch. After that, purl all the stitches. So let's complete this row by purl all the stitches. So friends, after the 8 rows, our pattern is ready like this. We will repeat these 8 rows up to the desired length of our pattern. When we repeat these 8 rows, we will get a pattern like this. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying